and a big propeller. Super! Draw a cockpit. And then a wing. Fantastic! You have drawn such a nice plane. The word airplane begins with the letter A. Write this letter and watch your plane fly. Write the letter A again and watch it fly again. Or press the arrow to continue drawing. Then add antennae, 2 curly lines. Excellent! Now draw its body. Wonderful! Then draw 3 legs and 3 more legs on the other side so your bug can nice work! Look how cute your bug is! The word bug begins with the letter B. Write this letter and watch your bug run. If you run, let's draw a car. First, draw the car's body. Good job! Now draw a window. Great! Now draw a front wheel. And a rear wheel. You've made a wonderful car! The word car begins with the letter C. Write the letter in your drawing. His head. Then add an oval muzzle. Great! Draw a charming smile on its face. Beautiful! Now draw a long ear, and then another one. Good job! Draw its neck and its mane. And now draw its body, a big oval. Super! Next, draw the donkey's legs so it can kick. First, 2 legs. And then 2 more. Perfect! Draw a tail with a switch. Terrific! What a nice looking donkey you have made. The word donkey begins with the letter D. Write this letter. Donkey will start to kick. Well done! Then draw 2 large ears. Wonderful! Now draw a long trunk. That's great! Make a big oval body for the elephant. Next, draw 2 thick legs. And 2 more legs. All you have left is a cute tail with a switch. Fantastic! You have made a wonderful elephant. The word elephant begins with the letter E. Write this letter and begin, or press the arrow to continue drawing. Now draw its head, a big oval. Great job! Now draw a big mouth. Draw an oval body. Draw hind legs. And now the front legs. Fabulous! What a cute frog you have made! The word frog begins with the letter F. Write this. Now draw its head, a big oval. Great job! Now draw a big mouth. Draw an oval body. Draw hind legs. And now the front legs. Fabulous! What a cute frog you have made! The word frog begins with the letter F. Write this letter some more. Write the letter F again, or press the arrow to continue drawing. Then draw its ears. Well done! Draw 2 funny horns. Wonderful! Now draw a long neck. And the spots. Fantastic! Draw a giraffe's body. And spots on it. Awesome! What a wonderful job you are doing! Draw a tail. Excellent! Now do a pair of long legs. And then another pair. That's great! You have drawn a splendid giraffe. The word giraffe begins with the letter G. Write this letter.
Write the letter G one more time, and your giraffe will come to life again. Or press the arrow to continue drawing.